Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radiant Diva Skincare, and if today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. And to my old subscriber guys, thank you so much. So guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you this beautiful body lotion that you can use on your skin. It's very good, but okay, let's leave that but for later. To join my online training class, guys, feel free and come and learn how to make multiple skincare products. Come and be a formulator. Yes, a very good one at that. Like when you make products, when your clients buy your product, it works on their skin and they're going to come back to patronize you more, and they're also going to bring clients for you. Okay guys, so you can click on, just go to the description box. Yes, go to the description box and you will see my WhatsApp number there. Just chat me and we can take it up from there. So guys, please don't mind the way I speak too fast, please, I beg. Just open your ear down and listen to me. I speak too fast. Okay, so guys, talking about this particular lotion, we have the exclusive Fair and White lotion. So guys, this is the exclusive Fair and White lotion. We have different range of Fair and White lotion, but this particular one, the reason why I chose this, okay, so just to try it out and know the outcome. Okay, so I tried it out for like just 2 weeks. I know 2 weeks is not enough anyway. Yes, 2 weeks is not enough. I tried it out for 2 weeks, and I also gave it out to someone that have chocolate skin tone to use, because for me, I'm light, you know. Because I have a very light skin, it's going to be very hard for me to be telling you guys how these products work, even if I try them, because I think some products are not even going to lighten me more, or I don't know how many shades I'm going to call because I'm already light. So it's going to be difficult for me to say, it lightens me more, or my skin still remain the same. I don't know. If it was when I was a little bit darker, like dark, yes, I can tell. So talking about this lotion, so it is called the exclusive Fair and White lotion. So they call it a whitenizer made with vitamin C, guys. Okay, and this lotion is a Paris lotion. So if you're buying this lotion in Nigeria, guys, let me tell you one secret now. If you're buying this lotion in Nigeria shop, or you go to, what is it called, trade fair, to buy this lotion, 100% you are buying the fake, because this lotion is made in Paris. So if you want to get the original one, go to their website. Go to their website. I'm telling you, go to their website. Don't go to trade fair and buy this lotion, or go to Nigerian shop and buy this lotion. Trust me, it is fake. Just go to their website and buy this lotion. It is expensive, but yes, you will be sure that you're getting the original one. And because they call it a whitenizer, sorry, it's not going to whiten your skin. Okay, if you want to whiten your skin and you're thinking of using this lotion, it is not going to whiten your skin. So sometimes these are formulators, or these are people that produce this product. I don't know if they're making a very big mistake of naming them, giving them some kind of names, right? So they call this a whitenizer. Guys, it's not going to whiten your skin. If you're light already, it's just going to keep your complexion in check. It's just going to keep your complexion that way. Nothing like it's going to whiten you. Or let's just say, if you're dark in complexion, and because they wrote whitenizer, yeah, and you will think that this thing is going to whiten up your skin. Oh, sorry, please, it's not going to do that. So but this lotion is good, like for those that want to maintain their skin. If you're dark, you want to keep it dark, you want to maintain your skin, though it's still going to give you a little bit of brightening. If you're dark, yes, it's okay. If you're light, like you have like my skin tone, you're light already. Why is this my camera is making me somehow like I have oil all over my skin? Sorry guys. So if you have a light skin like me and you want to just keep it going, like you don't want to do too much anymore because you already have the light skin, of course you can still use this. But for those dark people that want to lighten up their skin because they see is written whitenizer, sorry, it's not going to do nothing for you. It's just going to leave your skin like that, maintain it and give it that brightening and glow. Okay guys, it's made with vitamin C. This lotion is made with vitamin C, is made in Paris. It is going to give you that body milk. It's made with milk. Let me tell you, any product made with milk, it gives that beautiful skin tone. Okay, now how to use this product, like I'm going to tell you guys, you have to really you have to mix this product, or you have to get the oil. This product comes with the oil. You can mix with the oil, or you can mix with other oil, any lightening oil that can help you to bring a little bit of lightening to it. Okay, any lightening oil you can mix with it, or you can use the oil and mix with it and apply it on your skin, because this oil does not have this lotion does not have oil inside. Okay, if you apply it on your skin and after applying it, you see your skin is just there, you will not feel that moisturized, like you will not feel it, like you will not feel the oil on your skin. So it's advisable that you mix this lotion. Using it like that directly, you're going to battle with dry skin. Like after applying your cream, if you're in Nigeria during the harmattan season, you're still going to notice that your skin is white, or maybe you're around your legs area or your knee area or maybe your knuckles. You're still going to notice that dryness because this cream, I don't know if they even made this cream with oil. So make sure that you're mixing this cream with the oil, or you use any other oil. Now to make it a little bit effective, not that it's not effective like I said, though it is effective, but not what you want as a whitening product or a lightening product, no. So but for you to be able to get that lightening out from this product, then you have to add some serums. Okay, get a nice serum and mix with it, or a nice oil and mix with it, and this cream is going to do wonders on your skin. Like it's easy, it's not going to break your skin. Trust me. You know, there are some products that you're going to use, it's going to break your skin. This one can never break your skin. But that whitening thing, not with this lotion. Even if you're using the soap, because this lotion also have the soap. Okay, there's the soap, there's the oil, and this one also, I think they also yeah, the facial cream. It's just to maintain your skin, not lightening. Okay, so they also have other range of this lotion. So those ones I don't know, I'm not going to say about those ones because I've not tried it. For this one, the lotion is half inside. I've used for like 2 weeks now. You know, it's still the same thing. My skin is still the same thing. I did not know if it lightens me more. And the person that I also gave this cream, the person that I told you that have dark skin color that is using this cream, the person is glowing. But when it comes to lightening, you want to lighten up, I'm not seeing it, and the person is also not seeing it. Okay, the person is using this one with the oil, but you see that beautiful glow, that beautiful chocolate skin is just there. But for lightening, you have to go for something else. Okay, so guys, like I said before, if you want to buy this lotion, please go to their website. Okay, go to their website and order directly from them, and you're going to get the original one. If you're getting the fake one in Nigeria, trust me, you're going to damage your skin. It's not going to do anything for you. So guys, I hope this video is well understood. If you have any question concerning this lotion, please do ask. And if you have used this lotion before, you can leave your comments below the comment section. And if you intend to use this lotion and if you're already light skin like me, of course, use it just to keep your light skin maintained, keep it there. Okay, and if you're chocolate, yes, I will advise for chocolate skin. This cream is not a lightening or whitening cream, it's a chocolate skin tone cream. So the producer of this cream, I don't know what the person is thinking. I don't know why they wrote whitenizer on it, because there's not a whitening. The cream is not whitening. Okay, so just use this one for a chocolate skin tone. Even your kids, you can even use this on your kids, not like babies or like children from 15 can use this one, because it does nothing to the skin, just that brightening, that glow and all that. And you have to make sure that you mix it with oil. If not, I don't know how it's going to feel on the skin, because I'm not saying that that oiling stuff inside. Okay, and one thing about this cream, if you apply it on your skin, it's just going, your skin is going to take it in. You apply it and you massage. Just one massage is gone. It's not that one you will massage, and you will still be seeing the white stuff. If you're using a cream like that, forget it, is not working. So the one you have put on your skin and you massage just once like this, and it's gone. Forget, your skin has taken all the stuff in it. Hope this video is very helpful, and ask your question, join our online training class. And if you want me to do any review concerning any products, don't forget to tell me. Okay, just say do a review of this, and if I've used that product before, I will do it. Me, I'm not going to be doing review of a product that I've not tried before. And even these days, to try a product is very difficult for me, because I'm already light, so I don't know. It's difficult. Now I have to be looking for someone that is dark in complexion, and I have to buy the product with my own money, and I have to go and give it to somebody to try it for like 1 month. And let me tell you something, guys, when it comes to lightening of the skin, see, 1 month is not even enough. I know how long it took me. You people that have been watching me, if you have been following me from day one, since I opened this my YouTube channel, you know this is not my skin, so you know how long it took me to get to this level. So if you want to lighten up, patient 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Yes, it's not. I have some of my clients, they want to go to wedding next week. They are calling me, they want to go to wedding, they need something that will pop their skin. Are you serious? Under 1 week, now magic? Not be magic. It's not magic. Okay, so guys, take it easy with the skin lightening. Be patient, continue using your products. Any product that you're using, if that product is not breaking you out, continue using it. You will just be gradually seeing your skin changing. Yeah, it's going to take time, but you're going to see your skin gradually changing without breaking your skin. Okay, so guys, very soon I'm going to be talking about stretch mark and hormonal imbalance. Okay, so most people that do have stretch mark, you will think it's your lotion. It's not your lotion. Okay, yeah. So guys, see you. Bye.